Bad reviews crushing your sales? Amazon's latest update might be the game changer that you've been waiting for. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to pull a return report and see why are customers returning your product. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Okay, so Amazon made a game-changing upgrade, and I'm going to show you it in a second. It's regarding voice of customer features. So we've launched 2 new features, recommended action and key phrases. The voice of the customer dashboard highlights products that require more attention by grouping them in poor and very poor health ratings. So you can see the recommended action. It also has seller education content, information on Amazon's guidelines, size chart tool, product lifestyle support, and much more. So we're going to look at it in today's video. So if you go to the voice of customer dashboard, you can see pretty much all of your listings. Are any of them very poor, which means that Amazon's probably going to remove them soon? Are any of them doing poor, fair, good, and excellent? So you can kind of see them right here. You can also see the return rate. Pretty much usually on Amazon, you want a return rate below 5%. Now, if you're selling electronics, sometimes it's going to be a little bit higher, but in general, under 5% is usually a good return rate. So you can see that, you can see your total orders, your star rating, the top NCX reason. So the top reason why customers are returning your item pretty much are customers are saying it's defective and it's been fulfilled by Amazon, and you can look into it more to see data. Now, if we click on see details, maybe it'll tell us some great information about our product. Again, it's telling us all the information. Long-term return rate is still 2.29. Short-term return rate is 2.29. So the goal is to see how do we get this lower. Now, one feature that I did notice on here is the return badge displayed. Usually badges are a good thing. This return badge is not a good thing. So you want to make sure that your product says no. Why? Because this return badge is a badge that shows customers that it's a frequently returned item. So you do not want a badge that says that this item is frequently returned, because customers aren't going to buy a product that they think they're going to return. Everybody hates returning items. So you can see the NCX rate on here and how it increased. And right now it's actually decreasing. It's only in the 0.25 area, which is awesome. So it is decreasing after we made a couple changes, but you can see doesn't do what it stated as. It works. The package item was not sealed. So now that's a manufacturer issue. We can take a picture of this and then show the manufacturer, hey, we need to have double inspections being done. We're shipping out a lot of items. Didn't cure my hiccups, unfortunately. So sometimes it just doesn't work for everybody. You can't really fix those as much. But if there is something wrong with the packaging, the sealing, maybe you can do something about it to help reduce returns, right? We've had some negative reviews recently where the customer said that the item has been received damaged and they left a 1 star. You don't want that at all. So that's why you should be tracking this and seeing if there's anything that's coming up out of the ordinary that you can fix. Now, if we're saying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually pull a return report and see why customers are returning their items. Now, to do that, all you have to do is go to reports and then click on fulfillment. If you don't see this tab, then you need to upgrade to professional account. Now, once you go to fulfillment, there's going to be the most popular reports, and it's right here, the FBA customer returns report. And you can actually see your returns. You can generate them in real time, or you can download them into a CSV. We can see in the last day, last 7 days, you can generate a report. And we can see customer damaged, product not described on the website, unit returned to inventory. So it looks like unit returned to inventory. Interesting. Sellable item is defective. Sellable unwanted item. Item was not received by estimated delivery time. Unwanted. So we can't really do anything if it's just unwanted, you know? Item was not received by delivery date. Can't do anything about that. This is FBA, so, you know, can only do so much. Defective. Immediate liquidation. So we can try to look into these more. Sometimes Amazon just provides very, very vague information, but you can also download this. And once you have a lot of different information, you can look at it into it deeper, look at the NCX board, and really see, okay, why are customers returning items? How do I get this down? Especially if your return rate is above 5%, that's got to be a warning where there may be something else wrong with your product. Maybe your instructions aren't good enough. Your packaging isn't sealed properly, things like that. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And if you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel because we're giving away great content that's helping you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. This is what we specialize in, especially our #1 service where we'll come in, we'll do a full audit of your account, make sure your account's healthy, your products are healthy, and most importantly, increase your sales. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.